Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tanya from Hey Tanya, and today we're going to do a different kind of video. I have had a few requests asking about how I have lost my weight over the last several months. I've lost about 60 pounds, and I have done it primarily through a low-carb, keto-friendly, no sugar type diet. So today I was going to take you vlog style to Walmart and show you how I'm able to do that on a budget and buying things that are carb friendly right at our local Walmart. You don't have to go somewhere special to get your carb friendly on. So thanks guys, and come along. And oh, by the way, today I went and I realized I was wearing my Star Wars shirt. I picked this up at Target for those of you who are going to ask in the comments below. And yes, the movie was fantastic. So thanks, and come along. Alright, today we are going to do some Walmart on a budget, keto, carb friendly shopping. So this is a come shop with me. Let's go. Okay, our audio took a dive. So real quickly, these are Wisp. These are one of my favorite little cheesy chip snacks. They come in a variety of flavors, about 4 different flavors. I prefer the cheddar. They are great. And then these little individual dilly packs, they're by Oh Snap. They are great, no carb as well. Also, all of the gourmet cheeses and things you can get in little snack size. So I normally pick up one of the little Baby Bells, obviously no carb. And my favorite is this little hard salami, also with the mozzarella cheese. It has no carbs, 2 carbs. I try to do less and say 2 or 3 carbs per snack because I like to keep it under about 20 grams. Okay, for pretty inexpensive, you can either get a half a dozen or just a duo of the hard-boiled eggs. They're already peeled, ready to go. Makes a great little snack. Okay, so they normally have these wall of pre-done salads. If you get the Cobb salad that has the blue cheese dressing, which is the low-carb option for dressings most of the time, it has just 3 grams of carb. Perfect for a little quick go. Okay, and always an option of the guacamole that is pre-done. Really any of the brands, including the market side, which is the Walmart, only has just a couple of carbs per serving, but it also has that high fat if you're looking for that in your keto friendly diet. So obviously you can have all of the meat and cheeses and all of that kind of stuff along the wall of Walmart. I'm not going to get too into that because you know that on low carb you can have meat, cheese, pork, all of the things. Okay, on our way down the aisle, this caught my eye. Just remember when you see all the cauliflower crust and all of that business, that is not necessarily low carb. There are like 29, 39 grams of carb in a pizza crust. So stay away from this and make your own. Okay, so I normally get either the Green Giant brand because they have a few different ones. You can get just the plain cauliflower. It has 4 carbs, but it has 2 fiber, which gives you the net 2. That's how I do mine, is I net from the fiber. So they have cauliflower medley. They've got also the broccoli that's chopped up really fine. It has a little bit more. No, it actually doesn't. It's 4 grams with the dietary fiber of 3. So this is actually only 1. So you can have some green veggie, okay? And let's see what else. Right here next to it, I always get these spirals, and that's how I fake my pasta and noodles, is I take the zucchinis and I normally take this butternut squash and cook them together. That way it's a little bit sweet with olive oil, and that is how I make that. It is 2 carbs and 1 fiber, so you can eat literally this entire bag. Okay, in the Great Value brand, I found these Pesto Spirals. Again, you can kind of mock some pasta with that. It's carrot and zucchini, and it is, let me zoom in, we have 5 carbs with 2 dietary fiber. It does have a little bit of sugar in it, but guys, what? This is fantastic. Okay, so since we're on this aisle, let's talk about tortillas. You can make your own chips. You can do your own thing with wraps and all of that if you can find the carb-friendly tortillas. I don't always get them here. I will tell you there are other brands that are a little bit lower in carb, but in a pinch, I will grab. Okay, so in a pinch, I get these. They are the smaller size from this size. You can see the difference. And it is a net of 3 carbs. So how they get to that is they take your total carb of the 12 and you net out the fiber of the 9 to give you the 3. Guys, this is great, and you really feel like that you are eating real food. Okay, guys, this is our aisle. We got olives, we got pickles, we got our salsas, our dressings, all the things that are not diet friendly are carb friendly. So my choice for chunky blue cheese is the Ken's. That's just my personal preference unless I get something in the refrigerated section. But a lot of these dressings we can have. One of the things that a lot of people don't know about are all of this little Twisted brand. It is a little bit of ranchy, parmesan-y, different kinds, but most of them have 1 carb, no fiber, but only 1 carb. It's 2 tablespoons, which is plenty to throw on a salad or as a dip, all of that kind of stuff. So I would encourage you to just come and see. Flip to the other, opposite side of the dressings are all of your salsas. Pretty much you can do anything unless it's a sweet salsa that has corn or something like that in it. I actually like the salsa roja. This is the Sam's brand, which is Walmart, and I like all the Arribas and all that business, but really you can't go too wrong. Just flip it over. I do try to watch my sugar content as well, so if that's part of your diet, make sure that you do look at that on the salsa side. As we head our way down to the pickles and olives and all of that, guys, y'all can have pretty much all of this on the low carb, including the pickled okras and the asparagus and all of that business. Most are 1 carb, maybe 2. None of this has fiber in it, but for only 1 or 2 carbs, it makes a great little snack, and it gives you something kind of sour for your palate, as it were. I especially love the little kosher dill petites. They come in a little 4-pack, $2.48. It's not bad, but for lunch, for work, it's perfect. Again, it's just 1 little carb. But make sure that you get the dill whenever it comes to pickles and not the sweet. No sweet. Because this has, let me look just to see. Yeah, guys, this has 16 grams of carb. So this, not this. Okay, and to complete the same aisle, guys, same aisle. We're doing all of our shopping right here on one aisle. All your tunas, your chickens, all of that type of stuff, you can have pretty much any of this. Now, the only thing I would caution you against is some of these that have added a sweet. Again, you're watching your sugar, you may not want to do that, and it does ramp up the carb when they add a little bit of salt to it. But yeah, see, it has 4 sugars in it. So you probably don't want something like this. You probably want to stick more with just your albacore white tuna. And then we are back to, 0 carbs, guys. Okay, we're on the pasta sauce aisle. There is one, literally one that we can have. And it is this brand, and it's the marinara. They also have another variety besides the marinara. On the back, The carbs are 6, fiber 1, so that's a net of 5. It does have 4 grams of sugar, but it's for a full half cup. That is a ton. You can have a bunch of that. And if you scoop down right here, they have, now they also make a pizza sauce, which I don't know if is new or if Walmart has just decided to start carrying it, but 2 carbs. Now it's only a quarter cup, so basically the same, and it's only 40 calories too, guys. Perfect for those cauliflower pizza crust that we're all going to be making. Okay, and while we're here, I love to take my little pepperonis and make a little snack with a little cream cheese in the middle. It is perfect little snack. You can make them ahead of time, throw them in your fridge. Okay, and of course we know we can load up on all the cheese. Be careful on some of the different cheese sticks that it has less or more carbs, so just check that part. Okay, and when I stop by the milk area, I always pick up half and half or heavy whipping cream, and this heavy whipped that comes in the little sugar-free spout, no carbs, no fiber, and no sugar, and it's sweet. Putting all that whipped topping on, yes, sugar-free Jell-O. So again, no fiber, no sugar, no carbs. It's a great little sweet tooth, I'm dying in the middle of the night kind of thing. Okay, the last thing that I always like to pick up is my coffee. I am a coffee crazy person, and so this is my little trick on how I can have some of that Starbucks kind of quality, but sugar-free and no carbs. Dead battery happened, so now we're on a cell phone, sorry. These that are sugar-free only are so great to add those syrup flavors like you would get at Starbucks, except for at your own home. So here, again, no sugars, no carbs, no nothing. So if y'all are interested, put below in the comments and I will give you guys my little coffee concoction of how I make that at home, and I feel like I haven't missed a thing. Okay, so if you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Come like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys things on a budget that we can all do. It's a new year, new us. So thank you so much for watching, guys.